if you want to break your glass super easily, Creator's Palm Runner. I'm going to show you how to use it. First up, we're going to grab our cutter and we are going to cut on our score line. Whee! And now flip it over. And you're simply going to grab the palm runner in your hand like this, and you got to put a little bit of pressure. Did you hear that clink? I'm going to be quiet for a second, so hopefully you can hear the clink when it happens. Did you hear it? You get that little clink sound, and hopefully you'll be able to see where it ran. You can see it ran the score. So you're just putting a pretty decent amount of pressure. You might be able to do it one-handed, you might need to. And bada bing. And then just give it a little jiggle it, just a little bit, bada bing. But the question is, what do you do when you have a piece of glass that has a higher level of opacity so you can't see your pattern line through the back? I'm going to show you two different ways. One is if you use your paper to, wrong one. One is if you use your paper to do your tracing, and the other one I'll show you for vinyl. So if you do your paper for tracing, you trace down here, right? Just go like this. It's easier than flipping this over and be like, which freaking way does this? Okay, so just do this. Right? And retrace. Now you'll score on this side, boom, 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 with the palm runner on the other side. If you do not have that, or if you're using vinyl, or because you freaking feel like it, grab yourself a light board. I get the cheapy ones because I beat them up. They're not meant for putting tons of pressure on, and they are not meant for doing glassing. So get a cheapy one so you can beat the crap out of it. Anywho, here's our line that we drew. Flip it over. Hopefully you can see this on camera. I can see this quite clearly for real life. And meow, 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 meow. There is our line that we're going to do our pressure on. Just for funsies, let's actually do this. Here we go. All right, flip it over, grab our palm runner, bada bang, that one went straight through. Beautiful. Ta-da! Ew, but what do we do when this happens, Miss Smarty Fancy Glassy Pants, you ask? Well, don't worry, this Glassy Pants got a fix for you. Glasses with higher levels of opacity and higher levels of texture sometimes as well can be a little bit more of a pain in the butt to run your score. Sometimes they break however the heck they want. The fix for it is ye old double clink. And you can employ this method all of the time if you want to. Just like we do the double clink, bink, 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 one on either end when we're doing curves, we're going to do the same with this. Just a light pressure here on this side. Ran a little bit. Whee! And a light pressure on this side. Ta-da! We have the Creator's Palm Runner available in the shop if you need one. Peace, love, stained glass. Okay, bye.